This is a short video featuring Mike and Ricky Sutcliffe and Mike's 1921 Todmorden No.14 Leyland bus, which he restored in the early 1980s. Unbelievably, the engine was recovered from a lake before it was restored, and in this video, Ricky starts the engine, which, as you will see, runs incredibly smoothly. A full-length video about the bus restoration is available on my channel, and if you get the time, please like and subscribe.
So I'm Ricky Sutcliffe, Mike Sutcliffe's son. I also have the bug for the vehicles, and I've also been roped into starting this one. Hi. All right. Yeah.
Ignition switch is on.
Retarded.
Yes.
Give the carburetor a tickle. They only like it when there's a lot of fuel in the carb. Okay. I've just pressed the choke in a bit there. You'll notice that if it comes out, it doesn't run as well. If I push it right in, it won't run as well. So I'm just finding the right location. There she goes.